So many functions hang in one place because their specs are low. But here's the trick. Just turn on one switch and your Google TV becomes fast again. Simple, quick, and works perfectly. So let's get started. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Open System Settings on your Google TV. Scroll down and go to Accounts and sign in. Choose Google TV account. Scroll down and find Apps Only mode. Switch turn on. Go to Home Screen, loading Google TV Launcher. Please wait. Apps Only mode on, background clutter is gone, apps open faster, and the TV runs smooth. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.